Okay, so I have another prism. This time my base is a triangle. So if I'm going to find the triangle base, I know the area of that is 1/2 base times height. So I'm going to pull that triangle. Let's see if we can make it in blue. I'm going to pull that out separately. We have side lengths of 8, 8, and if you notice over here, that means that that third side of the triangle is also 8. Now, I don't know the height, so I'm going to draw that in there. That makes a right triangle. So the area of my triangle, that's that little notation, is 1/2 times the base, which is 8, times the height, which I'm not sure what that is. Well, if I've got an isosceles triangle, I know the hypotenuse. I also know that this is going to be cut into half, so I could say 4 squared plus h squared, that's that dashed line, is equal to 8 squared. 16 plus my height squared is 64. Subtract 16 from each side, and I get h squared is 48, or the height is radical 48. Not a perfect square, so I'm just going to leave it. So I'm going to go back up here and plug that in. The area of the triangle is 1/2 times 8 times radical 48. This is the area of my base. I'm going to then plug that in to the base of the volume. So volume is base, which is actually the area of this triangle that I just found. That's the tricky part. Times the height, which is 10. And I can plug all of that straight in, 0.5 times 8 times radical 48, close your parentheses, times 10. And I get 277.13, I'm going to say centimeters cubed. I think it was cubic centimeters. And that's my volume.